Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to fix the links here. I'm going to create controllers. We can create only one controller and make methods for movies, series, but I want to create a separate controller for movies, series, casts and genres. Okay, and also here I'm going to display uh, all the movies we have, the latest one, and here the episodes. I'm going to create a section and a grid to display down there. Okay, so first open the terminal, and I think I have zoomed it. Yeah, and artisan make controller and genre controller, also one for movie controller, series controller, and the cast controller as well. Cast controller. Okay. Now in the VS Code we need to open the web.php, and here we need to create the roads. I'm going to copy this one and paste it down there, and here is going to be movies. Okay, so when we navigate here, click here, we go to the /movies, not /movies but /movies, sorry. Okay, and the controller is going to be the movie controller. Method is going to be index, it's okay. Here is going to be series and series controller, method index, also the same thing for the casts, cast controller, method index. For the genres we need to say genre and or like this, and the slug of the genre, and I'm going to say like this, and controller is going to be genre controller, method is going to be show. Okay, it's saved. Close this one. Now we need to open the navbar. Okay, and here we have the movies, and we need to add the road. Oh, sorry. First we need to open the web PHP because we don't add name roads here. So we need to add a name, and I'm going to say movies index. Here name, also series index. Here is going to be the same thing, cast.index, and here is going to be genres.show. Okay, it's saved now, and close. And here I want to say road movies index. Okay, here road for the series index, and here road casts index. Okay, now down there we have a for each genre, and we display the title of the genre. Here we need to say the road is going to be genre show, and we need to pass the slug here, so $, genre slug. Hit save, and now navigate to the browser, refresh. If I click here, and you can see down there we have the movies. Now we have series, casts, and genres. Okay, genre, comedy, animation, and so on. Okay. Now here I'm going to create a section and add an H tag, H1 tag with, it's going to say movies, episodes, and after that we need to add a grid and display some movies, the latest ones. So come here, close this navbar, and inside the welcome we have a section with BG Indigo. I'm going to remove this, or I want to say maybe I want to say BG Gray 200, and I want on the dark mode, because we need to say also for the dark, is going to be the BG Gray 900. Okay, margin top 4 is going to be, I'm going to add padding of 2 and maybe rounded. Okay, and here I'm going to add a div with class margin 2 and padding 2, text XL or 2XL. Okay, font bold, and maybe the text is going to be indigo. We have BG grade 200 and text is going to be indigo 600. And on the dark mode we have BG grade 900, so the text is going to be indigo 300. Okay, and here I'm going to say H1 and movies. Okay, now after the div here I'm going to create another div with a class grid, and grid calls 2 by default. On small it's going to say grid, I'm going to say grid calls 3, and on medium size it's going to be grid calls 4. Okay, I'm going to add a gap 4 maybe, and maybe it's going to be rounded. We are going to see here, rounded like this. And here we can say we need movies, so for each movies and so on. For example, just I'm going to say movie cards here. And the same thing now, I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. Just change this to be episodes, and maybe we need to change also the color and so on, and also episode card. Okay, and down there the same thing. I'm going to say series and series card. Okay, save, come here and refresh, and we have something like this. But why we don't have the on the dark mode? If I open the front layout, we have the class dark, and also we have dark BG gray 900, but we have, so I'm going to run the npm run watch, Okay, it's not open new tab here. Yeah, now we have, but we have also the so down there when we say episode cards, we need to say so I'm going to say here, right here, text by default is going to be white, the same thing down there, text white, and also up here. Okay, text white, it's saved. Come here and refresh, and yeah, now we have here is going to be the movie cards, episode cards, and so on. If I change this, remove the dark mode and refresh, yeah, we have something like this. And we need also to change the look here. So when we have text white, select and say on the dark mode, we need to say dark text white. Okay. Yeah, now it's okay. Okay, friends, hope you enjoy, and in the next video I'm going to fix movie cards and display all the movies, the latest movies, sorry, and also the same thing for the episodes, but we need to change or maybe one card for all of them, because the episodes don't have the all the fields the movies has. I'm going to see it in the next video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one, friends. All the best.